What's up, guys? Today was CPI, and this is how I made $26,000 in one trading day. $26,000 live profit in one trading day. And I'm going to be showing you guys all the trades, all the proofs for all the Thomases that say I want to see before I believe. I'm going to be showing you guys all the trades I took on these particular screenshots. I'm going to be sharing with you guys. I shared the same trades with my members on my VIP community. So together with more than 500 people, we made millions today. And I'm going to be showing you guys all the proofs. I'm going to be showing you guys all the trades. So are you guys ready? Perfect. So starting from, let's just quickly come here. I'm just going to see how my computer, okay, my phone is going to pop around here. So if you can see on my screen, I'm still up and running, floating on $13,900, right? And this is my funded next live account. You guys saw this account by the start of the week. It was just on around $102,000. That's the same thing I was telling my PA. It was on around $102,000. And today with CPI today, we made almost about $26,000. You can see that is my history. That is my history. I'm not even going anywhere. Did your trade hit take profit today, or we have a long story? I'm just asking. So did your trade hit take profit today, or it's a long story? If it's a long story, let me know. If it's a long story, then I'm going to try my best to make it a short story. So did your trade hit TPs today, or it's a long story? You can see these are all my trades, both my winners and my losers for today. If I go to my history, that is my history for today. Simple. Can you see that? $26,000 in one trading day. So how were we able to achieve this particular result? It's simple. The same strategy I use on all these trades is the same strategy I have shared on my YouTube channel. Just go on my YouTube channel and watch the video, or check the description. I'm going to leave that video on the video description, or just check the link above if you're watching on YouTube. And I think the title of that video was My Millionaire Risk Management Strategy or something.
Secret Millionaire Risk Management Strategy.
Perfect. Secret Millionaire Risk Management Strategy. That is the same strategy I used on all my trades today. The same strategy. The same strategy. So what was I doing? I'm just going to quickly share my screen on some few trades, right? I'll just get into the trade. Let me just pick any currency pair. We have a lot of currency pairs here that hit TP. We had okay, let's pick gold. My PA pick gold. So let's just quickly go on gold, because on gold alone we made more than 10,000 today. So let's just go on chart. And on chart alone, on the 1 hour time frame, can you guys see? I was just, no matter whatsoever strategy you want to use, there were many points of confluences in the market today. So I have been very, very bullish on gold for this entire week. Since Monday, I've been very, very bullish on gold. And for today, I was already looking for this key area somewhere here. Where can I just, let me show you guys this. This is this key area I was waiting today. All right, I was waiting today. And once I got to this key area today, there were many points that gave me points of confluences. And one of that point of confluence was the fact that we had this retracement back to my slow moving average. So I was using my slow moving average, and I was also using my support and resistance. I already knew where the market was going to go, or I was predicting that CPI was going to be negative for the United States dollar. If CPI was going to be negative for the United States dollar, what was going to happen? Great Britain pound USD would have gone up, and USD JPY would have gone down. That's what is called correlation. And since gold is SAU USD, USD is the secondary currency. So if the United States is low, or if the United States data comes out and is low, then you expect gold to instead go up. Since gold is SAU USD, on the gold currency pair, the gold is the secondary currency, so you have a negative correlation. Any other currency pair like USD JPY, USD CAD, which I'm going to be, I had trades on that, which I'm going to be showing you guys, you will be able to have a positive correlation, which the market will shoot up immediately. Let's just go to on something like USD JPY. USD JPY, let's see. Okay, unfortunately, I didn't have any trade on USD JPY. Let's see if I had any other trade that had the USD. That was the first pair, SAU USD. Good, I had USD JPY right here, right? So we should expect USD JPY to go down. We should, at the same time, we should, without even seeing the chart, we should expect USD JPY to go down. Pam pam. Can you guys see that? I don't even need to go far. Can you guys see the confluence? Can you guys see the confluence? Can you guys see? I still have trades up and running. See my chart. That's $14,000 up and running for today. Can you see $26,000 already clocked for today? Meaning these are the trades I've already closed for today, $26,000. Meaning if I close the one that are running, that's almost about $40,000. I think the title of this video should even be $40,000 trading Forex. It should be 40,000, right? Because that is it. I've already closed $25,000 and I still have $15,000 of floating. That is my floating profit. After this video, I plan to stop maybe 2 or 3 hours after the CPI. So by the end of the day, I'm going to be closing this trade and that should give me almost about $40,000. That is it live on camera. Those are all my trades I've been able to show you guys. I've shown you guys the analysis I use. And on this particular trade, just as I said, you guys can be able to see USD JPY. We got in somewhere. We had the same confluence up here. Let me just quickly show you guys this. So this was the same confluence we had, and as soon as the market pulled back here, it came back to our slow moving average, and that was also the same point I was waiting for a retracement because I was predicting the United States CPI. I was predicting CPI to be low for the United States, and if it was low for the United States, any currency pair that has the United States dollar as the base currency is going to go down, and any currency pair that has the United States dollar as the secondary currency is going to go up. Simple. You guys have seen it. This is USD JPY. Let's go now to another currency pair which we've made not less than $5,000 today, which is a Great Britain Pound USD. So let's go on my history again. Great Britain Pound USD is right there. We've made a lot of money on Great. The same setup I showed you guys. The same setup I showed you guys. Can you see this? So we started, we got in here, by here you can see this is TP1, TP2. We got in again by here, TP1, TP2. We're already in again and we are already up. Let's just go on Great Britain Pound USD. That's $3,000 of floating. So you'll be able to ask me like, how do you or why do you have 2 trades on one currency pair? Because if I'm risking 1%, my target on this trade is to risk 1% per trade. So why do you have 2 trades on one currency pair? The reason is simple. Please go and watch that video, which is the millionaire. What was it again, please?
My secret millionaire risk management strategy.
Good. My secret millionaire risk management strategy. That was the same thing I was doing. That is why you'll be able to see some currency pairs. I have 2 trades up and running. Why? Because one of those trades I'm targeting a risk to reward of 1:2, and the other one I'm targeting a risk to reward of 1:3. That is the secret. That is the secret. That is a secret, as simple as that. So let me show you guys an example, right? I got in here on Great Britain Pound USD, and after getting in here, I opened 2 trades. I was risking 2%. I opened 2 trades. One was on what? One trade was a risk to reward of 1:1, and one trade was a risk to reward of 1:2. You can see the first trade was triggered there. We already made 1%. The second trade was triggered there. We already made 2%. As soon as we were triggered there, what happened? I pumped in again. So long as the market gives me that opportunity, bro. That's why I used to say, analyze like a pro and execute like a robot. Very, very important. Please take that down. This is going to save most of your trade. Analyze like a pro and execute like a robot. What do I mean? When it comes to you analyzing the market, guys, don't hurry. Take your time. Look for point of confluences. What am I expected to see before getting into the market? What do I plan to do? Take your time to plan. Take your time to plan your trade and trade your plan. But when you have a setup, guys, don't think twice. So long as that setup has already met the criteria on your trading plan, don't think twice. Execute like a robot. That is simple. Plan like a pro and execute like a robot, or analyze like a pro and execute like a robot. If I see a setup, I don't care whatsoever thing is happening on the market, I'm going to pull that trigger. It's either going to go my way or it's not going to go my way. If it doesn't go my way, I already plan on how much I'm ready to lose. And if it goes my way, I already plan on how much I can afford and how much I'm targeting on that particular trade. So I trade in peace. I trade with a tranquil mind, because 8 years of experience is not 8 months. It's not 8 days. Can you guys see? That's it. As we are talking, the equity is floating. The equity is floating. I think very soon we're going to be hitting take profit on most of this trade. But as I said, I still have 2 hours. As I was telling my PM, I'm still going to hold these trades for 3 hours. And after that, we should expect the markets to start reversing on the original news trading direction. Because what used to happen in the market, in the Forex market, is the news will happen, the market will go in a particular direction, and it takes about 3 to 5 hours. And what will happen? The market will be able to correct. And in Forex, I have a new trading strategy which is called the Godlove Fundamental Correction Strategy. So that strategy just guides you on how you can be able to enter on that trade and still be able to trade the correction. So this was not a correction, and the trading strategy I used here wasn't a new trading strategy. Don't get me wrong. This wasn't the straddle strategy or anything of that, right? These were strictly my technical trading strategies that I also shared with my VIP members. Period. My VIP members are going to be watching this on TikTok. They're going to be watching on Instagram. They're going to be watching on YouTube. And if I'm lying, please, guys, let me know in the comment section. I don't delete any comment on my video. All right? They are here. They are watching the videos with me. If I made almost about $40,000, they should be able to make the same if they had the same account balance I had. What do I need to show you guys? What do I need to prove again, bro? I started this account. I'm going to check that screenshot. I took the screenshot on Monday. We're still floating on this same live funded account. We're still floating on around about 102,000. And my target for this week was just to hit 10%. Anytime I hit 10%, you guys know I used to withdraw my profit. But on occasions like this, bro, I'm just going to keep executing. I'm going to keep executing. By the end of the day, I'm going to close all the trade and then I'll be able to cash out. Simple, simple, simple. So if you want to learn from me, if you want me to mentor you one-on-one, if you want to be in my inner circle, if you want to learn how to trade like this, then make sure you check the link on the video description to be able to enroll in Godlove University. Anytime you enroll in Godlove University, you automatically become my mentee. I'm going to hold your hand. I'm going to show you the A to Z, beginner to pro, when it comes to Forex trading. And if you want to use the most viral and the most profitable Forex robot now, which is Petrex Pro, check the link on my video description to check out Petrex Pro. And if you want to use my recommended brokers, recommended prop firms, and talking about VIP, if you want to trade like this, or if you want to be copying my signals while learning how to trade, or if you want to earn while learning, then check the link below to join my VIP Forex trading community, where you get about 3 to 5 signals per day, or you can also join my free Telegram community. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check out this video to watch another video which I made almost about $20,000 in one trade. Check out this playlist, which are videos I already programmed for you guys. Click here to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and I will see you guys on the other videos. Peace.